Hey everyone, Gerard here. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remit Pag-IBIG contributions if you're an employer online. So let's jump in. First is you need to visit a Pag-IBIG branch in order to request the eSRS. You can download also the form online or request a copy from the servicing branch. So upon request from the servicing branch, the authorized representative, which is required to be a Pag-IBIG member, will be sent an email with a link that directs to the initial login in eSRS. An eSRS is the online service for employers for easier payment of monthly remittances. We can actually remit the following, which are member savings, the famous one which is modified Pag-IBIG 2 or NP2 savings, multi-purpose loan or NPL, and calamity loan amortizations. Once the password has been changed and added a security question, we can start using the eSRS services. Upon logging in, the employer profile is displayed, which are the employer ID, the name, address, servicing branch, and the nominated email address. In the process of remitting, it starts by clicking Payment Instructions, then Create New. As mentioned earlier, here are the available payment types. Notice that current and future payments are accepted. For past payments, especially with penalties, you may need to visit the servicing branch. Let's go ahead and click Member Savings. Next would be to set the period covered. For this illustration, let's try to set it for January to March of the current year. Click Continue, then we'll be redirected to the Create Payments instructions, where you can review the details of your remittance. In these buttons here, you can add on the periods covered, view the remittance list, update the remittance list, and remove the remittance listing. So once done, we can click on the Submit Payment Instructions, then click Yes. This is how the payment instruction will look like. Then click Download to view the PDF form. Take note of the payment instruction PIN as this will be used later when paying. So before I continue, if you're finding value from this video, hit the like and subscribe button. So to continue, it's time to pay through GCash. Open the GCash app. From the Bills Payment, select Government button, then search Pag-IBIG. As you can see, there are three options. Let's select Pag-IBIG Employer eSRS. I'll try to make a video on the other two in the future, so stay tuned for that. What I like about this payment solution is that the payment will be posted real time. Let's go ahead and enter the PIN. For this portion, you can find the PIN in your PIF that we filled up a while ago. For the region, if your business is locally situated, choose Philippines. Otherwise, you can choose the applicable country. For the amount, enter the sum that needs to be remitted. And lastly, enter the desired email address to receive the payment confirmation, after which click Next. Lastly, do a final checking of all of the inputs before clicking Confirm. Note that the service fee will be 7 pesos. You can check the status of your bills payment in the inbox of your GCash app. You'll also be receiving an email with the details of your payment. I suggest having a printed and soft copy for filing purposes. And that's it. So I hope this video helps businesses make their process more efficient by doing it online. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to watch my tutorial and review of the BIR Mobile PIN Verifier app. And if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos like this. So I'll talk to you in the next one.